In this video, we discuss about common analog outputs in a PLC. So we have a PLC and a computer. One of the example for analog output is motor speed set point. Generally, whenever we have motor speed control application, we will use variable frequency drives. So the PLC has to send some signals to the VFD drive to control the motor. Okay, and it is a 4 to 20 milliamp signal and it is analog output which is AO. Okay, and another one is control valve and it is a command signal like how much percentage the control valve has to open or has to close. Okay, it is also a 4 to 20 milliamp analog output. If we send 4 milliamp signal to the valve, let's say fully closed. If we send 20 milliamp signals, then it will fully open. If you send some 8 milliamperes, 12 milliamperes, 16 milliamperes, etc., accordingly, it will open. Like 25 percentage it will open, 50 percentage it will open, 80 percentage it will be open. Okay, so this is the control valve command. Remember, the commands are the analog outputs. If we want to know the valve position feedback status, then it is analog input to the PLC. Okay, the motor speed set point, it is a command. The PLC is commanding the VFD drive that you maintain, this is the motor speed you have to maintain. Similarly, this is the command, control valve command. This much of percentage you have to open or this much of percentage you have to close. So all these are analog outputs. One more signal is heater temperature control. Let's say you have a electrical heater and you can control the electrical heater temperature based on the 4 to 20 milliampere signal. This is also an analog output. Let's suppose the PLC has to send some current value or voltage value to a VFD drive or to a annunciator panel or a display unit or some third party device, then these are also considered as analog outputs and they need 4 to 20 milliamp signals. Okay, all these are analog outputs. If the PLC is to send one analog value for any purpose based on the 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.